Hello everybody and welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. This week I'm going to be talking to you about the glue boat. It soon will be making another tour.
Love, exciting and new. Come aboard.
What makes this pot very cool is that it stores a little bit of glue in an airtight container that is always good to go. You're ready to just take off the lid and just glue up whatever you got and put it back. And it is airtight. But it doesn't necessarily have to be used for glue, really. Anything you might use around your shop that would be susceptible to evaporation, dyes, stains, etc. can be kept in this pot as well. This is essentially a gravity-fed hopper, really. When you get right down to it, you fill it full of glue. You can store your lid up here on the top. Do your glue, 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 glue. Put your brush back in. Put the lid back on. Super basic, easy, fantastic little idea. To fill it, you put it on end like this in what is literally called the fill position. And you get out your bottle of glue with your convenient pump. There's a link to the video for this pump up. And then you just, if you're not using the pump, it could be easier, I suppose, but you just keep on pumping your glue in here until it's full. We have been pumping away for a while here, and it is taking forever, right? Because it is actually pretty much a liter of glue. Let's do it the fast way. We're going to take the pump off of here and just dump a bunch of glue in this thing and see what happens. So as you can see, we've got it higher here than over here, and the glue is not pouring out this way. And that is simply because of the way it has been poured into this side and then laid flat. If you drill a hole here and pour it in, it will just go everywhere and it'll make a great mess. You don't want to do that. Now that the glue boat is full of glue and you want to glue something together, it is simply a matter of taking off the lid, putting it here, and your brush is always right there, right ready to go. And you just glue up your part, and it has, you know, this little bit you can take the excess off with, right? It's nice and handy that way. And then you just lather on your glue, paint on your glue, painting, gluing, etc. Whatever. That's my gluing song. And yes, I sing that to myself in my own workshop every time I glue something up. And when you're done, you can just put the lid back on. It is now airtight. It is sealed. That glue is not going anywhere. And you just simply clamp your bits together and off you go. For the glue boat, there will be a link down below in the doobly-doo, as well as a general link to everything else that's in the store. I am Phil Shimbine. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I will see you when I see you. The glue boat soon will be making another.